Let me introduce you to a new trend that's spreading like wildfire. It's salads made in a jar. The idea behind them is we can make them ahead of time. This way, they're always ready to grab and go. So let me show you how easy it is to throw together this cheeseburger salad in a jar. The first thing we do is pour our dressing in a wide-mouth quart-sized canning jar. And remember, always put the dressing on the bottom so the veggies don't get soggy. On top of that goes a few cherry tomatoes that we've cut in half, followed by layers of chopped pickles, red onion, and shredded cheddar cheese. Now, to make this taste like a cheeseburger, we add a layer of ground beef that we've browned with ketchup and mustard. We finish this off with some lettuce, put the top on, and into the fridge it goes until we're ready to chow down. There you have it, layer after layer of what tastes like a cheeseburger in the form of a new trendy salad. And the options are endless. As a matter of fact, if you want the recipe for our chef salad in a jar, the Greek mason jar salad, and our cheeseburger salad in a jar, all you have to do is go to our website. Let me tell you, these are fun. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a trendy
and delicious
way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.